Have you ever wondered what really makes someone instantly attractive? What if there was science behind that spark? The very things that make a woman feel drawn to you in just moments. Today, you'll discover proven secrets backed by behavioral psychology and groundbreaking research that can help you create that immediate, magnetic connection. These aren't gimmicks or cheesy pickup lines, but real principles that tap into how attraction and emotional engagement naturally work. Imagine knowing exactly how to make her smile, laugh, and feel emotionally connected to you right away. Ready to unlock the key to powerful attraction? Let's dive in. Humor is more than just a way to break the ice. It's a powerful social signal. Research shows that women perceive humor as a sign of intelligence and social skill, two qualities deeply attractive on a subconscious level. Use lighthearted jokes or playful teasing early on. Humor signals creativity and social competence, making you stand out. Funny conversations create emotional ease, lowering barriers naturally. Think of humor as a bridge. It connects you and draws you closer emotionally. When she laughs, her brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, which starts linking you to that pleasure. Try this. Share a genuinely funny story about yourself or a clever observation. Watch how her engagement shifts from polite to interested. Next, communication style matters hugely. Genuine affection and sincere compliments aren't just nice, they build desire and satisfaction. Compliment specific traits or actions. I really admire how passionate you are about your work. Use warm tones and mirrored body language to express fondness. Avoid empty flattery. Focus on genuine appreciation. When you consistently express positivity and warmth, you foster quick emotional intimacy, which women find deeply attractive. It creates trust and softens defenses. Positive communication is like watering a plant. It helps feelings grow fast and strong. Romantic attraction lights up your brain's behavioral activation system. This system thrives on reward and excitement. Create fun, thrilling experiences during your interaction. Engage in activities or conversations that spark curiosity and joy. Novelty matters. Surprise her with fresh perspectives or unexpected fun. By tapping her reward system, you're not just gaining attention, you're wiring her brain to associate pleasure directly with you. The more rewarding the interaction, the stronger the attraction. Simple tip: invite her to a spontaneous mini-adventure or share an exciting story that makes her heart race a bit. Emotional connection goes beyond words. Matching and gently guiding her emotions helps her feel deeply understood. If she's anxious or uneasy, begin at a slightly higher emotional energy and gently lead her down to calmness. If she's excited, match her enthusiasm first, then coax her toward vulnerability and intimacy. This subtle emotional dance signals empathy and attunement. This skill is like tuning a radio to the exact frequency of her feeling, which builds a profound sense of connection. Women feel safe and valued when their partner gets their emotional state. High emotional moments become powerful memories. Sharing laughter, exhilaration, or adrenaline-fueled experiences anchor positive emotions to you specifically. Create moments of fun or thrill, then tie those feelings to your presence. Use physical cues like light touch or shared laughter to cement memory. These emotional peaks act as mental bookmarks, making you unforgettable. The brain instinctively recalls intense positive emotions linked to you with special clarity. Try to build a moment that makes her laugh hard or feel a rush, then hold her gaze for a second longer. Don't hide your interest, express it thoughtfully with verbal and nonverbal cues. Use tone of voice, subtle smiles, and gentle touches to signal attraction. Maintain eye contact about 75% of the time to build intimacy. Avoid being overly intense, but be clearly interested. When you show genuine desire, it invites her to reciprocate. Mutual attraction can ignite in these shared moments. Leveraging psychology enhances attraction below the surface without manipulation. For example, scarcity. Being less available makes you more desirable. Illusion of freedom. Offer choices so she feels in control. Future pacing. Help her imagine exciting experiences with you ahead. Suggest options for your next meeting and describe fun things you could do together, allowing her to picture a shared future. Attraction isn't about tricks, it's about authentic connection, emotional alignment, and making her feel seen, valued, and excited. Start applying these science-backed principles today. Bring humor, positivity, clear interest, and emotional understanding into your interactions. Practice creating rewarding moments and watch how attraction naturally grows. The power to make a woman fall for you immediately lies in genuine engagement and the way you communicate. Try one of these tips on your next conversation and see the difference. Ready to transform your relationships with behavioral psychology? Take that step now.